Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA in Windows 10. So friends, with the help of IntelliJ IDEA we can create program on multiple platforms like Java, Gravy, etc. Okay. So friends, our first step will be download IntelliJ IDEA, and then in second step we will install it on Windows 10, and in third step we will create program and test our program. Okay, so watch this video till the end. So friends, to download IntelliJ IDEA, here type here download IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, now click here, you can see JetBrains. Now click here to download. Now you can see we have a two ultimate version and community version. Okay, for Windows we can download it exe file. Just click here to download. Okay, community edition. Now you can see downloading started here. Let it download first, then we can install it. Okay, now friends, you can see we have downloaded IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, now go to folder it. Now friends, you can see we have downloaded it. Now we have to install. Now friends, just double click on it to install it. Okay, now friends, click on yes. Now you can see welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Now click on next. Now friends, we can change path here. Okay, you can browse and change path, installation path. Okay, so I am not going to change. Now click on next here. Now we have to select here create desktop, update context menu. Okay, now we have to associate with Java. Okay, now we can select Java here. Now friends, we have to update our variables, like we can add bin folder to path. After installation we have to restart our PC. So I have to create program with Java. Okay, so we can select Java here. Now click on next. Now it will create this folder. Okay, now click on install. Now you can see IntelliJ IDEA shortcut created here. Now friends, installation started, so let it complete. Meanwhile we can pause this video. Now friends, installation completed here, so we have to reboot our PC now. Okay, to complete this installation. Okay, so we have to select reboot now and click on finish here. Now click on finish. Now friends, my PC is rebooted, so you can see IntelliJ IDEA we have installed here. IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, community. Now friends, we can open from here, or we can open from here, double click. Okay, now friends, you can see it's asked to import IntelliJ IDEA settings here if you have already. Okay, so I'm not going to import any settings. Okay, so we will do settings from scratch here. Now select here do not import setting and click on OK. So now it's launching here, so you can see we have launched our IntelliJ IDEA. Now friends, to create new project we have to click on new project here. Now click on new project. Now it's detecting, so you can see. So friends, we have to provide project name like TechNet project. Okay, now location will be this. Okay, you can change your location. So friends, I have to create project in Java. Okay, so I can select in Java. So during the installation I have select Java only. Okay, so it's selected here Java. So friends, you can see in JDK, Java Development Kit, we should have installed any JDK here. If we have not installed, so we can download from here and we can add JDK from here. Okay, so I will give link in I button how to install JDK in Windows 10. Okay, we can select here add sample code. Now click on create. Okay, click on create here. Now friends, we will create a program and we can run. So we can go, so you can see source main, so it will automatic search a main class here. Okay, so you can see hello world, so you can change here. It's a by default sample program here friends. Okay, so we can just put here. Okay, now we can change this word like hello TechNet guide. Okay, now we can run this program. So you can see it will compile first. Okay, then we can, so friends, you can see it's working, hello TechNet guide. Okay, now we can create multiple program here. Okay, now friends, we can create another program like add to integer value. Okay, so let's see how to create that. So now we can run program here, like just remove this. Okay, now we can type here int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 15. Okay, now friends, we have to define here integer sum colon enter. Okay, sum equal to a, sum equal to a plus b colon. Okay, now we can print here, print system dot out dot println. Okay, println now sum. What will be in print? Sum value. Okay, a plus b. Now we can run this program. Click here to run. Okay, expected 5. Okay, sorry. You can see here is equal to b is equal to, okay, b is equal to 15. Now we can run this program. So you can see a plus b is equal to 25. Okay, so now we can, now friends, you can see result is 25. So friends, in this video we have seen how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 10, friends, and we have also tested 2 programs here, friends. So friends, in this video we have seen how to install it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.